Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. This time we will discuss a video about the benefits of carrots. Carrots are a popular vegetable that can be enjoyed in many ways and are packed with nutrients that benefit your health in many ways. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of carrots and how they can improve your overall health and well-being. Body. Carrots are packed with nutrients. Carrots are an excellent source of nutrients such as beta-carotene, vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients help boost the immune system, support healthy digestion, and maintain healthy eyesight. They can help improve your vision. Carrots are known for their ability to improve eyesight. They are a rich source of beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for healthy vision, and a deficiency in this vitamin can cause night blindness and other eye problems. They can boost your immune system. Carrots are a great source of vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage by free radicals. It also helps increase the body's absorption of iron, which is important for maintaining healthy blood cells. They may promote healthy digestion. Carrots are a great source of fiber, which is important for healthy digestion. Fiber helps keep the digestive system moving and can prevent constipation. It also helps reduce the risk of colon cancer and other digestive problems. They can help reduce the risk of chronic disease. Carrots are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. The nutrients in carrots also help improve cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure, which can reduce the risk of these diseases. Conclusion. So, as you can see, carrots are packed with nutrients that benefit your health in many ways. From improving eyesight to boosting the immune system, promoting healthy digestion, and reducing the risk of chronic disease, carrots are a great addition to any healthy diet. So go ahead and enjoy some carrots today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.